Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I will show you how to make picture background transparent in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Go to View menu and click the Slide Master and go to First of Slide and click the Insert menu. Take a shape, draw the shape, and now go to shape format and click the drop down menu of shape format and click the fill and line. Select the picture or text texture fill and insert the image form file and reduce the image opacity and close the slide master view and check the slide. You can edit this transparency again. Go to view menu, slide master and image, fill and line color. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.